After all the late nights and the quiet drives, the posters on your wall keep everything secret. You can trust that I won't forget it all, because I was you. Since 17, it's been par for the course. Ooh. 'Cause it's a Thursday and I forgive you, but I things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. Up, down, on the I've been around before, rooftops, sliding doors. Just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking, and with the view she can see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. I used to keep my promises. I play it all close to the vest. You never see me cry. I used to be so self-assured. I crack a joke, I save a word. I used to be so tough. After all the late nights and the quiet drives, the posters on your wall keep everything secret. You can trust that I won't forget it all, because I was your hero and you missed me. You can use all that I said to you against me. I'll be a stone's throw. I used to keep my spirits high. I never need a reason why you never came to call. But now I'm parked around the glass, praying that this too shall pass. I waited it alone. See me in the limelights, in the bar fights, in the mirrors on the wall. And we could get better. You should know that you can't forget it all, because I'll be your old home, your villain. You can't explain it all away to our friends, and I'll be a stone's throw. 'cause I'll be your hero. If you miss me, I'll forgive you for the things you held against me. I'll be a stone's throw.
Will stop at Central.
Nowhere safe.
Nowhere safe.